Okay, let's go back here. We've done banners or something we haven't touched yet. What we can do is we can sell banner space, or we can just put our own banners on if we want. So let's go and set up categories. So first we'll add a new category for our banners, and we'll just call it ours. Okay. And then we can create another one called client. Now, of course, you can do whatever you want here. This is just an example. Okay, and we could set up a client if we want it. So we'll set up in-house as one of them. Put any extra information we want here, their name, their email. Okay, so we have an in-house, and then we'll set one up for a client as well. This is strictly for demonstration purposes. So ABC company. Save. Okay, so now we have categories and contacts set up. Time for some banners. Okay, put new. Okay, this is the name of our banner. Show banner, yes or no. If it's sticky, yes or no. Okay, just give it an order. Select a category. Call this ours. Client name, in-house. Impressions purchased, unlimited for us. If we were selling it, we might do something different for a client. When they click where we want it to go, okay, so then we select the banner image. This is what they look like down at the bottom here. Okay. All right, when we're happy with that, we just click Save. Okay, there's our first banner. This is in-house. We could also add a client banner, and then they would rotate. Okay, so now what do you think is going to happen when we click refresh? Nothing. Do you know why? Bet you do now. Okay, so we go back here, Module Manager, New, Banner. Advertisement or sponsored links or whatever you want to put there. Okay, banner client, in-house, or ours, whatever you want here, or you can leave them blank, and it will just rotate through. Okay, you can set these other ones if you want. We'll click Save. There's our advertisement there. Now, if we right click, here it is down here. There's our advertisement. Google is hiding here. And then click, it should go to google.com. Okay, so there's how we can use the banners. Okay, so we've done banner, contacts, news feeds, polls, web links, and search. Okay, we've shown how to create a custom menu. Now what I want to show you is something you can do at any point. You could do this right when you first come in, or you can do it some other time. It doesn't matter, but at some point you're going to want to change some stuff in here. So if you want to change your site name, this is where you do it. Okay, so we'll set it to Truck and SUV Review Site. Okay, there's some other things you can change here. Okay, the global site meta tag, you're not going to want to leave that like that. It's not very search engine friendly. At least put this in there. And you should probably add some more. Okay, keywords too. Okay, so put a list of keywords, comma separated in there. Then down here, show the title and author meta tags. You can set those the way you want. SEO settings, search engine friendly URLs. You need to be careful of this because if you turn that on, you need to use mod rewrite, and that means you need to change the htaccess file. Okay, if you use Apache here. Okay, so let's just leave that off. Okay, those are, get back to there from here. Now we also have some system things we can set up here. Allow user registrations and new user account activation. You want that on or off. Front end user parameters, show all this stuff you can change in here. Okay, the different kinds of images that they're allowed to have. If you're going to turn on debugger, you're having problems, cache settings, session settings. And the server, this is the path where your site belongs. Database goes over here. Your mail, if you're using PHP mail, or if you want to use a different mail server, you do it over here. And if you're going to enable FTP. Okay, so once you have all that the way you want, we'll just save that. And before we wrap up this video, let's talk about users. Okay, we'll go to the user manager. We'll just explain some things in here. Okay, we have admin, which is the super user, and basically a super administrator. And that is the person that can get at everything in the site. However, there are other types of users, and let's just create a new user. And here you put name, username, email, and the password, verify password. And then down here is the part where you can give people different access. So they're registered once they register. It gives them access to look at things, but you can also pick authors, editors, and publishers, which allows people to do different things. So an author will be able to write stuff. An editor will be able to edit what the author wrote, and a publisher will be able to publish what the editor or the author wrote. Then at the back end, we have a manager who has some authority, administrator a little more, and super administrator has full authority. So you can use these different access levels to set up users to have different accesses to the site. Okay, so that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about modifying the template and putting your own header on it.